up, you guys? Welcome. We are here at the Pixar party. It's Friday, the 22nd of June.
Is it?
Yes, it is. This is the private event. We were hooked up. We got invited to this thing. We are ready. We're going to go check out everything that this thing has to offer. We're going to go check in really quick, get our credential and a gift bag, and we're going to head in. Let's go. This is that really cool credential that I've been seeing.
Yeah.
Ooh,
okay,
wow. Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, of course.
Pretty cool.
And there's 2 pages to it.
2 pages worth.
Yeah, it's that cool.
Let me see.
Okay, so this one has all the food, Buzz, Angry Dogs, popcorn or ice cream cart. We have the adorable snowman, yes!
Yes!
Jack Jack Cookie Num Nums.
Yes!
Poultry Pals, we are gonna get fat tonight.
Oh boy, you were hungry too.
Oh, I thought that said Anxiety Redemption.
Well, that's you after Incredicoaster, or before.
Amenity Redemption.
There you
What
go.
is that for an amenity bag?
Okay, so here is the gift bag that we were given. Katie, let's see what's inside the gift bag.
I'm Vanna-ing right now. Can you just let me have my Vanna moment?
Yes.
So first of all, let's point out the bag itself.
It's very well made.
And it has, what is this called?
Drawstrings, kind of a backpack drawstring.
Drawstring.
You like those types of packs too.
I really do. They're really great.
Okay.
And it's really sturdy. Okay, so first out of the bag we have Sheriff.
What? Snake in my boots.
We got a hat.
Let's see. Oh, that is so cool.
That is cool.
Oh, I love it.
I really like the hat. I love the color.
You know what's funny? It reminds me of the old Paradise Pier hats a little bit. That's rad.
Then we got, sunglasses and the bottle.
What? Is there graphics on the sunglasses?
There is, I think.
Oh, I want to wear
well,
those.
No, not graphics.
It says Incredibles too.
It says Incredibles do. Okay, let's see. And then we got all the Incredibles.
Oh, that is cool.
Get it? Oh, that was good, Katie. All right, so that's what was in our bag. There's where we're going.
Okay, I'm excited. Let's go.
Let's do it.
I'm excited to see the Incredicoaster, like the entire queue, the entrance, and I want to try those cookies. I really want to try those cookies.
You more care about the cookies or the coaster?
It's a combination because after the coaster, I get a cookie. Yeah.
I guess that actually makes sense.
Yeah. Ear cam. Pretty cute. Okay, we have arrived. Look, there it is. Look, is that the blue carpet I see right there?
Oh, it is.
The Incredicoaster's going. Wow, thank you. We're in.
And we got to feel so cool. I basically got to feel like you all the time with a credential.
Yeah, this is like a daily part of my life, but not at Disney. So when it's at Disney, it's different.
Yeah, when it's Disney, it's like
yeah.
Like this is real.
We have arrived.
And look at the view behind us as we walk in. Like
unbelievable.
To walk into that is like something else, man. That's amazing. I'm so excited, you guys.
So it looks like a little photo op line for the blue carpet here, and you get your photo in front of the Pixar Pier sign. So we'll wait in line for that because it's not even a long line. Well worth it.
Yeah.
Look at, there's the Green Army Man. Hello, sir. We're very happy to be on Pixar Pier. What are you feeling?
I'm feeling excited.
Yes.
We have a new base here in Pixar Pier, and we're proud to call it home.
We're proud to be here. I feel like we made it in the world.
Thank you for your service.
Thank you for your service.
Thank you for being here.
All right. While waiting in line here for the blue carpet, I've noticed how cool is this blue carpet that it's die cut around the design. I cannot wait to step onto there. I'm about 5 people away. There's Katie now about to step. Katie, onto the blue carpet. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
With your alien shoes.
Are we doing it together?
A small step for me and a giant leap for Katie. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Yes! Da, da,
Wow. I feel way more special. I don't know about you.
I do too.
Yeah!
So good!
It's like you just feel like glitter now. You just feel like your inner glitter is just...
Look at how like Pixar out you guys are.
Yes!
Sure.
Brilliant.
Thank you. And now you're on the blue carpet.
That's right. Where's Blue Guy? We need Blue Guy.
No, Blue Guy. Where are you, Blue Guy?
This is in honor.
Shout out to Blue Guy.
This is in honor of Blue Guy. Here's your carpet, dude.
We love you, Blue Guy.
Ooh, we're getting so close to our photo op. What are we gonna do? We're gonna do a group shot with our friends, and then we're gonna maybe do a little
dance. Okay, Photo Pass right here. Can we get a shout out to Photo Pass?
Photo Pass, killing it.
Amazing.
Commitments right there.
Yeah, go get it.
Yeah.
Photo Pass.
Photo Pass. Yee, there he is. Yes. Okay, we've taken our photos. We are crossing under the pier. Katie.
Can we go in now?
Yes.
Yay.
Let's go, come on. Hey, look, it's the Lamplight Lounge. Look at the sign. We saw it on the truck the other day.
Oh, look at that photo op.
And the Pixar umbrellas.
Look at this, Spence.
Big fan of the umbrellas. And as we come in, oh, that is awesome.
That is so cool, and I can feel air coming out, so that feels even better.
That is cool. Oh, look at the back of the sign. Adventure is out there, Katie.
Aww,
it's waiting for us. It is. It's everywhere.
Love it. It looks so good. Echo! Oh my gosh, it's a new Echo spot.
It's a new Echo spot?
Can you hear it? Or is it just me?
Is it just in the center?
Listen.
Echo, echo.
Like,
yeah, it's right here.
It's like in Tomorrowland.
I wonder if the camera can hear the echo.
The camera, can you hear the echo?
Can you hear it? Can you hear it? Very 80s.
Can you hear the echo?
So one of the photo ops, really cool. This is definitely inspired by Banksy. I'll put the piece in the Banksy piece so you can see it right there. Girl with Balloons, I think, is the name of the piece. And then we'll go back to this one, and you can see it's very cool. And look at the new billboards. The adventure is down there. Keep the pier clean. I like that. Keep your beaches clean. Katie, look at him.
He's my favorite.
Do his face. Do his face. Whoa.
I forgot his name. Is it Ed? Maybe, I don't know.
I like him.
That was just for the premiere.
That is very cool. Is that all flowers? Is it like a rose parade thing? We're gonna get up close and look. Yes, it is. It's all flowers. Right by the Cocoa billboard. Very cool. Here goes the Incredicoaster. Look at, there it goes. There's the water effect. We have found, look, it's Bullseye. There he is. Unbelievable. He can stand on 2 legs.
You can get the spicy buzz churro.
That's this one here.
Senior Buzz Churro.
Yeah,
and then that's the what? The
that's just
galactic
cinnamon.
One?
Yeah.
But it's green and purple, like Toy Story colored.
But that's what's very cool about
Yeah,
it.
it's hard to see. But that one tastes like a regular Disneyland Magic churro.
Yeah.
But then that one tastes like a spicy, cinnamony, probably.
And it's $5.25, the usual special churro price.
Are you gonna get a spicy one?
No, I'm not.
I'm not either.
I'm not down with the spicy stuff.
I just want the galactic one.
Hey, Katie.
Hey, Spence.
It's so hot and crispy. Churro Planet.
I want that planet. That's where I'm from.
Is it, what is that? Is that, wait a minute, is that Churranus?
Churranus? So we got these spicy, the caliente.
Yes, and apparently they are delicioso.
Try it. I don't like spicy things.
Okay.
Tastes like a red hot.
Oh, okay.
Literally like a red hot.
Okay.
It's kind of good actually.
Really?
If you like cinnamon.
And does it get hotter, or is it just one time kind of level?
It totally tastes like a red hot.
Okay.
Or like hot tamales, the candy.
Okay.
That's what it tastes like.
Great.
Pretty good.
Okay, time for a little Midway Mania. Let's do this. Normally this queue is like, you know, all of that.
Yeah, it's an hour long.
And look, we walk right to the glasses.
Yay!
That's what's up.
Hey, they match my ears.
Just walking right in. This is amazing. Look. Now that, you guys, that's a walk-on. Yes.
Wasn't ready for that at all.
So you're gonna have to do most of the shooting because I'm gonna try because I got one hand on the camera. Faster, Katie, faster.
I'm really bad at this game. I'm starting to find out just how terrible. All right, your turn. Get it. You gotta make it erupt.
There it goes.
Whoa! Whoa, they fly past you. We did good.
Feel the burn.
Feel the
Feel
burn.
the burn. Oh my goodness. Hey, Boo. So this is the new, very popular photo op here. It's the kind of very much like the angel wings that you see in LA with the street art. Same thing, but it's Buzz Lightyear. Pretty cool. This is how I were Buzz, see? And I'm blasting off. All right, as we approach the arch, there it is. There it is, the Incredible Arch. I've been waiting to walk under this for quite some time.
Here we go.
I love the artwork. Look at the artwork.
Wow, look at that. Oh, this is so cool. That's amazing.
And look at the sign. There it is. Incredicoaster. Cookies, there they are.
That's Katie's Street.
We're gonna hit that after we ride. We're gonna check that out. The line is a little bit long, but we'll wait.
Oh, can I just stay here instead?
No, we'll hit that after. That's your reward. That's a reward for that.
Oh yeah, you get her num num. Jack's num num
Yep.
when you're done.
Yep. All right, how you feeling? How you feeling? Talk to me.
Right now, like I feel like I'm gonna pass out already.
You're gonna be fine. It's gonna be incredible. We got a Dash. There goes Dash. I think that's him.
Go, Dash, go!
Yeah. There he was. That was him. Violet. I love these graphics. I love them, love them, love them. Smile, your photo will be taken.
Mine is really long.
I saw a flash on the
Ooh, Elastigirl. Mr. Incredible. Edna Mode. And it's just a straight walk on, so you don't have time. Ooh, look at the back wall. Loving that graphic.
Yes, but eventually you won't pay.
Wow, a little story in the queue now. Oh, I'm such a fan of this artwork. This is amazing. Oh, look at Frozone. Oh, this mural is insane, you guys. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Wow. I am so stoked on that mural, more than anything. And we're gonna go wait for the front. All right, hats on backwards, ready for speed. You ready, Katie?
No, I don't want to do it.
Here we go, here we go. Front row Incredicoaster for the first time. First time Live Disney. Here we go, go Katie.
For your safety, make sure you pull down the shoulder restraints and the blocks in place. Keep your head firmly against the weapon.
Are you sure I should do this?
No turning back now, it's too late.
The handles are like literally soaking wet.
Here we go.
Keep your eye on the jack. No problem.
That was crazy.
I'm a little dizzy. Woo. I have to say though, I couldn't stop laughing. Like, 'cause it's fun when you're on it. No lie, it was so much fun because there was like a story now. You know, and I felt her talking.
Yeah.
I feel like she was calming me down.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I was like, okay.
Well, because you had a mission. You had a mission to catch Jack Jack.
And it was, yeah, it was so cute how she's like, and we lost the baby.
Yeah, yeah.
I was just like, oh my gosh. And I have to say, you know when he multiplied and we were going like that?
Yeah, yeah.
I was laughing so hard. You'll probably hear it when you edit this, but I was like, ah! It was so much fun. I really would do it again.
Let's look at photo ops.
Okay. I kept looking at you and you were laughing. There's Brian. There's us.
Look
at Brian too. You guys, we look hilarious. There's your proof, guys, by double chin included.
Did it, Katie? Yes.
You guys, that was really fun though.
This ride gets me a little bit too. It gets me like, woo.
Yeah, it does, huh? It's
yeah, because there's so much up and down and the loop and everything. So I'm a little, as you can see, I'm sweating a little.
Are you sweaty?
I'm not shaking, but I'm a little like.
It's intense.
It is. It's very intense. But look over here. What you get?
I earned
You
this.
get a num-num.
Oh, I get a num-num.
So you get a. So they are hot.
Yeah, they are hot.
So hot. Yeah.
So they go through the oven.
I like this.
Just like Quiznos.
Yeah.
Okay, Ben, so it looks like you could get the Num Num cookie, which is, I'm guessing, that one.
Probably this one, yeah. Shortbread.
Oh,
that's
and
the
that's
Incredible
the Incredible cookie?
Yeah.
Oh. All right, so I finally got what I deserved, and it is the cookie. So I think this one's the Jack Jack cookie Num Num.
Yes.
And it is warmed up, as
Look
we
how thick
discovered.
it is.
It is thick. It's like Pizookie style.
It's like a giant Reese's cup kind of, kind of shape
like,
thing.
this looks amazing. I can't.
It is kind of Pizookie. Oh. Credit goes through. Is it?
It's num 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 num. So you do smell the cookies towards the end when he goes, here Jack Jack, or like something towards the end of the ride, or the beginning, I don't know, but at some point when you're coming out of a tunnel, it's all still a little bit of a blur to me, but this is what, I wish you guys had smell-o-vision.
You're gonna just go for the straight bite, look at that.
I am, I'm doing it.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, it's so good.
All right, give me a side.
Dude,
Whoa.
the minute it goes like, right? That's like the best cookie ever.
You know what?
Oh my goodness. That might be my new, next to Abominable Treats. Oh, so
That's
good.
really good.
And the middle is so like gooey and soft.
Oh my gosh.
Like, that is legitimately the best cookie I've ever had.
I'm just so happy that they were warm. Credit goes through. Anyways, I'm just so happy that they're warm. That was my hope. That was my hope. All right, what you got there?
I got an abominable, I always say an abominable,
It's an
but it's
adorable
adorable
treat.
frosted treat.
It's just really cute.
It's so cute.
Well, enjoy that, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We really had a good time, and we're really grateful that we could come to this event, because originally we weren't going to because we couldn't afford it, and we were stoked out, and we are very grateful to those who hooked us up. Thank you very much. You know who you are.
Thank you.
And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up.
And make sure you hit that subscribe button.
Yep.
And most importantly,
Yeah.
turn on your notifications. It's that little bell there.
Yep.
So you know when we upload.
Yep.
And you know when we go live.
That's right. And we will see you next time on Life Disney. Bye-bye, everybody!
Bye!
Is it good? The best, right?
Oh God! I was so spacing out.
You got it credit coastered.